When you receive your door, whether it be a hinged door or a sliding door, it will come with some power wash. To avoid warranty issues, please read the instructions carefully and adhere to the maintenance schedule as per your location. Airborne contaminants should not be allowed to settle on the mesh, as it will discolour and erode the powder coating surface. Airborne salts and eucalypt oil from many gum trees in Australia are highly abrasive and will cause deterioration if not removed regularly. In a bucket, place 3 capfuls of power wash to 1 litre of water. When cleaning the door, use a microfiber cloth in a circular motion. Ensure that you clean the very edges thoroughly and wash both the inside and outside of the door. Regular maintenance will keep your mesh looking its best for years to come.